Welcome to vTech Talks, a video series of short practical tips and tricks to help you on your journey to the hybrid cloud.
Hi, my name is Massimo Refere. I'm a Senior Solutions Architect in the vCloud business unit. And what I would like to talk about in the next few minutes is the concept of IT taking back control. What has happened in the last few years is a common pattern that everybody is realizing now. IT has been slow in adopting new mechanisms to become more agile and to be able to serve the internal consumers like business unit and developers in an efficient way. So what happened is that these consumers, these internal consumers, started to go out on the internet and consume public cloud services. Essentially, they refuse to keep consuming internal resources. The problem with this model is that while these public cloud providers provide a very efficient and agile way to consume resources, it is a problem for IT and the organization as a whole to keep control of what's going on. In particular, these public clouds tend to use completely different technologies and mechanisms compared to what you use as a customer on-prem. vCloud is, on the other hand, a technology that has been built and it's been delivered using the very same technologies that vSphere customers use on-prem. A common use case that we have seen in the last few years since we announced vCloud is IT subscribing to vCloud, for example, a dedicated cloud environment, carving out resources for those internal business units, and through the delegation models that we support inside vCloud, assigning particular atomic consumption units like virtual data centers to specific internal consumers. By doing so, this IT organization has been able to take back control of the situation by allowing those internal consumers like business unit and developers to maintain the agility and elasticity that is usually associated to a cloud, but keeping control of the situation because vCloud is based on the very same technology that they use on-prem. So what we have seen here is this concept of IT losing control in the first phase with internal consumers going out and essentially consuming non-blast and non-compatible public clouds environment. And in the second phase, taking back control by using vCloud, subscribing, for example, to a dedicated cloud, carving out resources and delegate access to those resources to those internal users. This is what we refer to a win-win situation because IT can now keep control of everything because they have a single view of both on-prem and off-prem resources. And it's also a win situation for the business units and the developers, the internal consumers, because they can keep consuming those resources in a very cloudy way. Thanks for watching.